I'd like to introduce you today to our new Rhino Fab600 machine. And the configuration that we have currently on the floor here is a 32-foot stock length autoloader with the fab system and saw, and a 24-foot outfit feed system with just roller tables. We're only showing an 8-foot table because of space constraints in our building, but at the customer it would be 24-foot outfeed. And the automatic loader, you can load 10 stock lengths on there while the machine is fabbing, and then it automatically loads it onto the back fence and pushes it into the machine and comes out the other end. Here's our smart fab machine, which has 6 axes. There's a drill axis on top, on the bottom and the front, and then it moves it forward to the saw blade and cuts the part off, create a label, and then the part is ready for assembly. So I'm going to show you now the process of taking that USB stick that Mike created, and we're going to run some Storefront and then some Knowall. I'll come in here to merge data, merge cut list. Select the Storefront job that he created. To the button of cutting. I'm going to say start cutting. Now it shows me all the parts that we're going to be cutting. The thing I was going to show you too is the operator has the fabric port that you saw on Mike's computer that usually goes with the instructions on the floor for cutting, and it'll show all the parts that are going to be cut, the locations where it's going to cut, the tools that are required for the job. So if somebody needs to reference something or something up that you missed on the screen, you can always go back here to those fab sheets and check that. The next thing it's going to do is it's going to tell us here on the screen what drills to load, and then we have to say okay that we loaded the drills once we open the door here, and we can change the drills on top, bottom, and front. We have a little toolbox here with all the drills and the key chuck. It's okay. And now it's optimizing the job. And then I can pull a list of stock material that's required for this job. It shows me how many pieces are required. I can print out a little tag over here on our label printer. And it tells me exactly what parts to load onto the autoloader and get ready for cutting. So I'm going to walk over here. I'm going to start this. And we're going to load the autoloader. And then I just hit this continue button and it advances it one slot forward, and I can just keep loading until the conveyor is full. Now that we have those 2 stock lengths it's asking for, I'm going to say okay that the autoloader is ready. It's going to back up to the load position, the pusher. Also, don't forget to start the saw. The saw blade. It's going to get a little noisy. It's going to measure the part now. It's coming in. We're going to clip it with roller clamps. Taking a trim cut. This is one of the horizontals. Drilling some holes at the top. Tells the operator when the part is ready to be removed. I remove the part and I put a label part and move it over to the rack for the table. Next part is ready. You also can see the automatic oiler when it's drilling. It oils the drill and the part. Now it's doing through. It wants the operator to make sure the table is here, and it pushes through. And it's going to load the next part now. We measure the part. And start drilling again and go through the same process again of cutting and drilling. Doing a push through, and now the frame that we created is ready. It creates a top label, And we can put the drop away in stock bin. And now the storefront frame is finished.